Welcome to Under the Microscope with Orbit. Let's see what we can find to look at under the microscope. Man, there's so many things to look at outside. So many things we could check out under the microscope. There's a leaf. That might be interesting. Ooh, almost have it. I can't wait to see what that looks like under the microscope. That's going to be so cool. Let's see what else we can find. One of the best places to find bugs? You guessed it, a basement. There's almost always bugs down in the basement somewhere. This would be a great spot to find our specimen. Oh, my friend Samantha's down here. Hi, Samantha. What are you doing down here?
Yay! Oh, hi, Orbit. I'm just looking for a bug for my pet iguana. Orbit, I found the perfect specimen. It looks like a spider. I'm going to pick that right up for you, and you can use this to look under the microscope. Here you go.
Oh, look at that. This is going to be so cool to look at under the microscope. Make sure you always get your parents' permission before collecting things to put under the microscope.
And by the way, do you know why the bug went to the computer store?
No, why?
To grab a bite to eat.
That's a funny joke. Awesome joke. Well, thank you again, Samantha.
Well, you have a great day, Orbit. I'm going to get back to finding bugs for my iguana.
Okay, now it's time to use our microscope to look at all of these cool specimens. Okay, there's specimen number 1. We're going to put it under the microscope, the leaf. Let's take a look.
Now look at this leaf. It's unbelievable. You see the veins in it? But check this out. I wrote a song about it.
Oh boy!
Leaves everywhere, dancing in the wind without a care. Orange, red, yellow, and brown, falling softly to the ground. Leaves falling down, making a carpet all around. Leaves so pretty and bright in the spring and summer light. So many shapes, so many hues. Nature's art in every view. I'm so happy that you're looking down on this microscope and checking out how cool all these leaves are. Really awesome.
Whoa, that was simply amazing. Now for the spider. Okay, the spider is on. Let's take a look.
Unbelievable how this looks under the microscope. Listen up, I got a story to tell about a creature that's misunderstood, but so well. They got 8 legs, yeah, that's right, and they're known as the spiders, always ready to fight. Spiders, don't be scared. They're just little creatures, that's all. Beware. They're crawling up your walls, spinning up so fine. Don't underestimate them, they're one of a kind. Some people fear them, but they're really cool. They eat mosquitoes and flies. They're nobody's fool. They're not aggressive, they're misunderstood. Spiders are essential, they're just part of the neighborhood. Spiders, don't be scared. They're just little creatures, that's all. Beware. They're crawling up your walls, spinning webs so fine. Don't underestimate them, they're one of a kind. Spiders are cool, but you have to be careful around them. Don't touch them unless your parents are around. Get your parents' permission before messing with these little critters.
Whoa, who would have thought looking under the microscope would be so cool? That microscopic world is amazing. Well, I gotta find some more specimens to look at. I'll see you next time on Under the Microscope with Orbit.
Don't miss a second of science animated content. Subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Thanks, everyone.